Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru, here again in my office. We did the first one last week and it worked pretty well, so I thought I'd stick with this. Today I want to pick up right where we left off. Remember last time when we talked about the purpose of a cleaning proposal, which is to make it really clear that you get them what they need, your prospective client, and number two, that you, not just someone like you, but your company is the best choice to deliver that cleaning. And then we talked about the way to do it was two steps: careful listening and then creative customization. Now today I just wanted to touch on 4 reasons why that's a great strategy. Number 1, it's free. That's right. It doesn't cost anything, right, to listen when you're doing your walkthrough and then pick up on some of those ideas and then customize your proposal. It's free. Number 2, your competition probably isn't doing it. Very few people really will take a little bit of that time and effort to listen and then to turn what they learned into putting it in customizing the proposal. So it sets you apart from your competition. And then the third thing is that it works. When a prospective client hears or reads or sees that you are picking up exactly what they need and you turn it into a plan, that really is effective, so it works. And then I want to focus just one more minute on the 4th reason why it's a great strategy. And that is that listening and careful customization for that purpose starts to position price properly. We used to kid around, what's the best position for price in a cleaning proposal? Should it be in the beginning? Should it be in the end? We could debate that. My feeling is that's not so important. What's more important than where it's positioned in the proposal is how it's positioned in the mind of the prospect, of your prospective client. And I think that listening and customizing to fulfill the purpose, that you really get them, and that you're the best contractor to deliver the cleaning, that starts to position price really properly, which is, price begins to be seen not just as a cost to have someone deliver on a generic list of duties. It begins to be seen as the investment, the price of admission, to get not just someone, but to get you, the best cleaning service, to deliver what? A list of generic specs? No, the list of a schedule, of a program of best cleaning for them. Now your price is seen as a real investment, and that's different. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.